How to open an account on Bank of America. Let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari if you are on your iOS device. So let me move into Safari. Once you're in this page, in the source bar, search for Bank of America. Click on Allow. Head over to the very first site, Bank of America. Once you're in this official page, tap on Login at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on Continue to log in. As you're looking forward on opening a new account, tap on Enroll. Now you will have to enter some of the information. First of all, enter the last 6 digits of your card or account number, and then enter your social security number or tax ID number. If you don't have your social security number, then click on Don't have an SSN or TIN. For the alternate option, you can enter your saving account number or your debit card number or ATM, and also enter your ATM card or debit card PIN. Once you have entered, tap on Continue. Follow the on-screen process, and then your account will be created successfully. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.